Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I share with you how I washed chicken, fresh chicken that I bought from the market. I'm just coming from the market and they killed it there, so the chicken is still hot. So I'm just going to open it and show you how big it was. It was very big. When I saw the chicken itself, I was like, this one, are you sure it's not chicken evolving into turkey or evolving into turkey? But no, it was not. It was really chicken. Look at the lap, it was really very big, and the legs are really, I haven't seen this kind of big chicken since I have been eating freshly killed chicken at home. All right, so what I'm going to do now, let me tell you how much I bought it. I bought this chicken 13,500, then plus the killing, it was amounting up to 14,000 something. And this is it. I'm just going to take it over to the sink. I'll just transfer them. I was still amazed by how big this chicken was while washing it, and in the background I was discussing with my mom. She said that the chicken was really big, and I quite agree with her. So to wash this chicken, as you can see, this chicken has been, let me say, 2 years. They said it was 2 years, so we need to wash the skin very well. You may want to remove all the skin, but if you remove all of them, chicken without sink will not give you that taste that you need. So I'm going to be scraping them, and some of them that was so hard that I cannot scrape, I removed them. At least I didn't have to remove all the skin. So what am I going to use to wash this chicken? To wash the chicken, you need probably 3 things. Yes, you need salt, you need lemon, and you need vinegar. You can use any of these, but I'll be making use of 2. The first one is to use a lime. The lime was so small, so I'm going to use lime, and later I'll use a vinegar to wash and scrape very well all of these. So thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you find this video so helpful. I will leave you to enjoy the rest of the video, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you happen to kill fresh chicken, this is how you are going to wash it. Just use lemon or vinegar to wash it very well. If you don't have the 2, you can use salt. So this is it. I was removing some of the skin because it was not necessary, and after I have done this, finish washing them, I'm going to rinse them 2 or 3 times again before I separate them into different bags. We ate this chicken like 3 times. We cooked with it 3 times. It was a very big chicken. All right, see you in my next video. Enjoy the rest of the video. Bye.